Good day, viewers, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time of joining us, my name is Brother Chima Prince Mata, and this is a spiritual channel where we share different spiritual thoughts and studies. And if you have never subscribed to this channel yet, you should do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video by your right hand side. Turn on the notification bell so that each time I post a video, you will be notified. This morning, I am here to bring another power part information or spiritual tips because I actually got this as a request on my Facebook from a lady that is telling me that is facing this kind of challenges. Even last 2 months, someone also asked for this particular video. And what is the video all about? It's about when you are experiencing moving objects in your body. Yes, medically, some people will say you are having an infection or you are having some bacteria and so on and so forth. But spiritually, it is not like that. Most of the times, you feel that something is moving all over your body, but spiritually looking at it, you cannot say if it is happening like that or happening constantly. You will conclude that it's medical problem. If you have taken every measure to cure it medically and it persists, that will assure you that that is not ordinary. It's of the spiritual. Talking about spiritual aspect, whenever you are experiencing something moving in your body, pinning you like pain, there is something attached with it. And that thing is what we call spiritual arrow. Yes. When you are having this spiritual arrow in your body, you will be experiencing something like moving object. At a particular place, something will be pinning you in your body. At times, you will feel like something heavy has come over you, and you feel something like blockage or physical arrow in your body, but you cannot touch it. You can only feel it. Even when you go to the hospital, the doctors will diagnose it, and they will tell you that they cannot see anything. That means you are having spiritual arrow inside your body. And there is various ways to encounter spiritual arrows or spiritual attacks. And spiritual arrow can be sent to you by wicked, evil men and evil women. Spiritually, people you have had something with in the past. And I pray that whoever that is watching this, after watching this video to the end, the experience that you are going to get here will help you to cure the moving object in your body. Another way you can attract moving object is for those who are living in public yard that used to spray their clothes outside from morning till the next morning. It is not good in the part of Africa where we come from. A lot of things happen in the night. It is not good for you to keep your clothes outside and leave it till daytime without washing it, and you wear it. Remember, every affliction that has moved in the night, your clothes will attract it, and as so on and so forth. When you pick up that cloth and put it inside your body, you will attract that evil spirit that the cloth has attracted. So that is another way to attract spiritual arrow. And secondly, for those who normally come back late night, who normally keep late night, you can also attract this. It can be sent to someone else, but due to you are coming back late, you might jam the spirit on your way. And from that day, you will start experiencing what we call moving object in your body. Yes, that is how you can contact spiritual arrow. Yes, people who normally keep their clothes outside, you must be very careful. Because in the African spirituality where we come from, it is not good to keep your clothes outside till morning. Even if the clothes is not dry, can you take it inside? And in the morning you bring it out again for it to dry normal. So if you are here listening to me and you normally keep your clothes outside, please, I am begging you in the name of God, stop doing that today, because a lot of people has contacted unknown spirit which they do not know nothing about through some stuffs like this. And as you do so, may God bless you. So if you are having the experience of moving objects in your body, all you need is alligator pepper. Yes, I call alligator pepper. He's the father of the man. My spiritual expert. You know the spiritual benefit of alligator pepper is very powerful. It repairs, it destroys, it heals, it delivers, it returns back to sender. We have a lot of energy in alligator pepper. So on this particular recipe of moving object or evil arrow in your body, we are going to be using alligator pepper. 1 bunch full of alligator pepper and a bottle of palm kernel, as you can see it. This is palm kernel, local palm kernel oil. We call it eluako in Igbo language. You need a bottle of palm kernel and 1 bunch of alligator pepper if you are experiencing moving objects in your body or spiritual arrow. And how are you going to do this? If ever your children or your brother or sister or husband is having this kind of experience, you only have to use 1 bunch of alligator pepper for that person. If you are doing it for yourself, it has to be 1 bunch of alligator pepper. And how are you going to do this? You are going to remove every seed inside the alligator pepper. Make sure there is no seed remaining. As you can see, it's empty now. This is the seed of the alligator pepper. But on this particular recipe, this is what we need. The shell of the alligator pepper. Not the seed, not the foil inside. This is what we need. And every seed you brought out from this alligator pepper, you need to go and bury it, because you must not use it. For this particular recipe or tips, you have to go and bury every seed that you bring out from this alligator pepper. We only need the shade. And how are we going to do the shade? We are going to grind this with your grinder, or you blend it with your blender, or you blend it with mortar. I love blending with mortar because it is native. So you have to blend it to the powdered form. I mean the shade of alligator pepper, you blend it to the powdered form. After blending it, you look for container, a little container like this. Then put the powder of the alligator pepper inside the container. You bring your palm kernel oil, mix it, pour it there and mix it. After you pour it, shake it 7 times. Shake it 7 times. Call your name 7 times. Keep it at a place for good 4 days. After 4 days, you are free to use it. How are you going to use this? If you normally experience the moving object all over your body, after taking your bath in the morning, take a bit of it, use it as your cream. Pray, every moving object in my body, today I command you to stop. Use it to rub all over your body. But if there is a particular place you are having that experience, that you normally feel pains, use the oil that you have mixed, the palm kernel oil and the alligator pepper that you have grind, the alligator pepper bag that you have grind to powder. Use it to rub that place. And if you normally experience it inside your body, something moving all around your body, you have to be drinking it. As you are rubbing it, you will drink it. And make sure before you go to bed in the night, after taking your night bath, you will rub this thing from your head to your toe and drink it. If you are having that moving object inside your body, drink this for 14 days and come back with your testimony. I need your testimony because it worked perfectly. If you are here, you are experiencing arrows, evil arrows in your body, moving objects in your body, or evil attack in your body, try this particular recipe. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video by your right hand side. Turn on the notification bell to all. And if you must know, we also have our spiritual materials that is fully charged by the Holy Ghost, by me, for sale. We have our curse breaking soap. We have our road opening soap. We have our crowd pulling soap, love and affection soap, back to sender soap. We have the Equable Plus Detox and the Iginla powder. We have our Pankane oil, alligator pepper, honey for sale. Any of this my product that you need, you don't hesitate to call on me, as I am open to communication. My WhatsApp number is +234 7088136610. That is my WhatsApp number. Please, don't fail to like this video. Like this my video and encourage me to do more. If there is any video you want me to put on here, make your request and you will see it come true. Thank you for listening. Thank you, and may God bless you. I have come to the end of this video. For those of you who are having moving objects in the body, try this. I need your testimony. God bless you.